wrapping the yarn around, pulling it through the first hole, and immediately pulling it through the second hole. So we have the base of our square right here. So this is the middle of the square. Now going to the second layer, what you want to do is we want to grow up, so you have to chain 5 again. We're always going to chain 5 in the beginning of the row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After chaining the 5, we are going to double crochet 3 inside this corner. We're going to double crochet 2. 1, 2. Now you see here we have this side that has 3 double crochets. So 1 over here, 2, and 3. We want to keep these 3 double crochets going up. So we want to keep them here, and we want to add 2 double crochets on each side. So on the next row, this one I had 3. Next row I'm going to have 3 plus 2 plus 2, which equals 7. And this is a really tricky part, so I'm going to do a double crochet right here on the first double crochet. You have to find the exact hole to do the double crochet. The first one is the trickiest. The second one, you can see it's this hole right here. So you do a double crochet, and the third one is pretty easy to find. You do a double crochet. It's the corner, so on every corner I will do 2, 2, and 2. 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets. So I'm going to do a double crochet here, and another one, 2 chains, 1, 2, 2 double crochets again, 1 and 2. When I do the chain and I do the 2 double crochets, that automatically brings me to the other side. So you see we have just finished this side here. We had originally 3, now we have 7. We already started with the 2 for the second row, and I'm going to do the 3 that were below and add 2 more here. So the tricky part I said is you're gonna have to insert it on this hole right here, your first double crochet. And all the other ones you will insert here. You will see the holes, you know, it's right below this chain right here. So I did 3 double crochets already. I'm going to do 4, 5, and then the 6 and the 7 will be on the corner. So 6 and 7. We're on the corner, so it means we're going to do 2, 2, 2. 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. So we have 2 sides that are complete. We are going to repeat the same steps for sides number 3 and 4. So I'm going to insert inside the first double crochet and do double crochet number 4, number 5, and keep going until you reach a corner. I have reached a corner, so in a corner I do 2, 1, 2. I do 2 chains, 1, 2, and I do 2 double crochets. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. We are on the last side here. So we have made 1, 2, 3 sides. This is the last one. So I already have 2 double crochets. I'm gonna do the number 3 right here, number 4, number 5, and the last one here, it's going to be a little bit tricky. So there's no stitch here, there's no hole, it's not the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a double crochet inside the 5 chains we did to go up. So I do a double crochet here. What I usually do is I pull this down a little bit so I can really see the corner. And then this last one counts as one double crochet. So I'm just going to do 6 on the last one because this one counts as the 7th. So I'm going to find the third chain from the start. 1, 2, 3. Insert my needle here, do a slip stitch, which is wrap the yarn around, pull through, and pull through. What you want to do so your corners are always aligned